guys, I am super excited for today's video. You guys know how much I love cleaning and decluttering, and today's video is just going to be my top 10 tips that are great if you're going to be doing a deep clean or decluttering your space. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and super exciting because I teamed up with Viva on today's video, so super excited to share with you some of their products in this video, and let's jump right into it. My number one tip when it comes to decluttering and deep cleaning is you definitely want to start with more and end up with less, meaning you want to get some sort of decluttering or get rid of some things when you are doing a deep clean. I just feel like it kind of goes along with the process. For me in particular, I had a ton of like extra home decor and really big like furniture pieces that weren't serving me any like use really, so I kind of put those in the corner and I went ahead and got rid of those. But just keeping in the back of your head, you know, while you're doing this deep clean, to also get rid of things, you can kind of like do like a two-in-one thing. Moving on to number two, it is super important to have some super awesome cleaning supplies. Now these in particular are the Viva pop-ups. Absolutely love these. But on top of that, basically just like a little description of what it is, it's like a soft paper towel that's disposable that cleans like a cloth. They come in this super cute little portable box, and another thing that's great is they have designs on the boxes, so they're not like an eyesore in your space. You can kind of leave them out and they honestly look like a cute piece of decor. I know right now for me it is springtime, so this was a great way to even just add a pop of color to my space. And again, this is fully functional because I use these to clean all the time. Not only are these great for like cleaning all around your home, but you guys know I do a lot of arts and crafts, DIYs, and these are great for quick spills as well. Again, super easy to just get one of these out. And as you can see here, it is super easy to pull one single sheet from the pop-up dispenser. And another thing to note, if you guys are very familiar with my channel, you guys know I have a lot of very delicate furniture pieces that really can't handle any harsh chemicals on them. So it's great to find a disposable product like this that I can use to clean off my countertops and things like that, because they do get extremely dusty and it's great for like quick spills. And I know that it is not going to damage my furniture because it is super soft. So if you want to check out this product, I will have it linked in the description box down below. I would highly recommend it. Number three seems obvious, but I find that sometimes we just completely forget this. But when you're doing a deep clean, it is really beneficial to move all of your furniture. Now you're probably gonna wanna get help with this. Sometimes I'm guilty of doing it by myself and my back hurts so bad the next day. But just moving all of your furniture, even like a few inches away from the wall, and cleaning behind it, because it can get so dirty and dusty back there, and you don't wanna be like breathing that in while you're in your space. Number four, something that I'm so guilty of right now and needs to be done, but it will totally transform a space, and that is just finding different areas in your home that need little touch-ups and getting some touch-up paint. If you're renting like myself, you can simply contact your landlord and ask them, you know, what kind of paint is on the walls, and I'm sure they'd appreciate it that you're you know, keeping their space super nice. But just making those little like changes and fixing those little areas that may need some touch-up paint will make your space look so much better. Number five, if you have allergies or breathing problems, or just in general, you should always be doing this, but cleaning out any air vents that you have in your space. I feel like those are the places that truly go like unnoticed. And not only just like the air vents, but like the tracks in your windows, places like that where you don't normally clean and you wouldn't particularly clean. Definitely take a look at those when you're doing your deep clean. For number six, I like to shy away from using any harsh chemicals or harsh cleaning products in my space, because that is bad for you, it's bad for your skin, it's bad to breathe in. But if I am going to use a product, I will stick with good old white vinegar and just soaking different areas. Like I know it's really good to soak your shower head in that white vinegar, get a lot of that like soap scum and gunk that is off of there, and just using the white vinegar in other places, like even your kitchen sink. In different areas you can really clean and get off a lot of that built up like gunk and soap scum and dirt and debris. Number seven, which definitely applies to me and it may apply to you guys as well, but if you have a comforter cover over your comforter insert, you want to go ahead and clean that comforter insert. Just because you have a cover over the top does not mean that sweat and just like dirt and particles aren't getting into that inner layer there. So you want to remove that and give it a good nice wash in the washing machine. Make sure you check to see if your washing machine can handle like the comforter insert. I know sometimes you have to go and like use more of like an industrial washer and dryer. It just depends. Number eight is something I've been doing for several years now, and I find that it's one of the best ways to clean any of your little decor pillows, and that is if you don't have the ones that like zip off and actually come off that you can throw in the wash, I always just take a simple like cheap lint roller, and roll right over them. It's the quickest way to clean them, especially if they're white. I find like they can just like get like little hairs and little dust particles on them. Just going ahead and cleaning that off is a great way to like easily clean. For number 9, this is something that I like to do, especially when I'm deep cleaning. If you have any sort of like hardwood floors or things like that, I personally like to clean them with a steamer. And to me, you can like clean all your floors with whatever you normally use, like a mop or things like that, but they don't get quite as clean as they do when you use like a steamer that actually heats up and steams the floor. So when I'm doing a deep clean, I really like to do that, and you can get steamers relatively inexpensively. If I find any that I like, I will link those down below for you guys. Number 10, the thing that probably gets neglected the most in your home, which would be like your drains. So going ahead and cleaning those out. I personally like to make like a little DIY mixture of baking soda and some fresh lemon juice, mixing that up, and it's gonna go ahead and clean and sterilize, and it's just gonna make your place also smell really fresh. So those were my 10 tips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell if you haven't already, so you're notified every time I upload a video. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out Aviva pop-ups. I'll have them linked in the description box down below. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!